natin. Jan, can you give us your
Hello,
5
hello.
cents worth kung anong nangyayari dito sa online voting?
Hello, attorney.
Yes, go ahead, Jan.
Ah,
Do we have anything to worry
um,
about? Ito ba'y dayaan na or what? Jan, cybersecurity.
um, be, Hi to Attorney Lorraine Badoy. Ano po,
Doctor.
may Dr. Lorraine Badoy, may kausap ako sa iyo na si Angel, wag mo na lang yung ipakita yung mukha ko kasi for security reason.
Okay. Okay.
Sige. So, based on my assessment, alam ko kung sino yung mga the 2025 player of the election. Based on my assessment as cybersecurity, they are already rigging. May fraud na talaga ginagawa sila. Like yung nakikita niyo na sa OFW. And I know who are those people, and I have
Nakakaabala yan, ha? Oo.
Yes. Yes. And then Attorney Rocky and Maharlika, I have all the diagrams, the people that who are connected with this. They are doing that in direct and indirect attack. So I know, alam ko yan, ni-research ko yan, sino-sino and yung company involved, sino-sino yung tao na yun. But in due time, I will contact you guys. I-email ko sa inyo kung kasi gumawa ako ng diagram ng flow. Paano nila gagawin. It's really parang pag na-research ko yun, paano nila gagawin, parang nakikita ko na talagang they prepared it last year ago. Paano nila dadayain. And ngayon nakikita nyo na.
Wow.
Yes.
Oo.
And then I'll tell you, not to scare you. They are the it's not only the politician, the tambaluslos. There are big people involved. And that's the truth.
Can I say something?
And yes, Dr. Lorraine.
Can I say something? Kasi, as I said nga, foregone conclusion na yun, no? I have never seen a more naked ambition than yung naked ambition ni Tambaloslos. Ikaw na lang mahihiya para sa kanya. Para gusto mo siyang damitan ng konti. Mag-brief ka nga dyan. Nakadiri di ba? Ikaw na lang mahihiya para sa kanya kasi wala siyang kapasidad mahiya, di ba?
And Doc Lorraine, I will just tell you straight. Yung Miro na provider ng voting machine natin, di ba, dito sa Pilipinas. And I tell you, I researched that maraming palpak silang ginawa in Congo, in Iraq. Grabe, ang daming ginawa nila na fraud. Yung Miro
anong
system
modus operandi? Can you tell us anong modus operandi ng dayan?
Ang ginawa nila, attorney, is their system is prone to attack, cyber attack, and they are also prone into dagdag bawas.
Okay, so pero paano nila gagawin yan? Saan nila gagawin yan? Is it the present level? Is it the canvassing level? Is it the final results?
In transmission, attorney. Transmission of data.
So transmission of data.
Yes, kasi mangyayari kasi, attorney, is after the pagtapos nating mag-vote, di ba? Mga 7 PM i-send data na yun sa server. Sa server na yun i-transmit. Ang problema kasi, attorney, is pag-transmit ng data, as a cybersecurity, pwede ko itong i-DDoS. Ang term namin dyan is DDoS or denial of service. Hindi namin 'yon i-send sa server yung data. So namin 'yon, i-flood namin yung server na 'yon para hindi mag-receive ng data. And then pangalawa also, they will, kasi ang transmission ng server is technically they use a tower. And then who holds the tower of the data? Di ba? Yun ang mga technicality. Doon nila dadayain, attorney. In transmission. Kasi technically, hindi nila yun dadayain like yung sinabi ni Attorney Respicio na by code. Yung code nila, iibahin yung script. Ano yun? Makikita nila yun. Makikita yun talaga. Ang gagawin nila by transmission. Doon nila dadayain. Either one, they can manipulate the transmission data in using a tower, a decoy tower. They could use that. In short, attorney, ito lang yun. IM is eye catcher. That's the clue. That's the clue. They will catch the transmission of data. Doon nila dadayain. Let me take you an example. Sige. For example, stronghold ni Tambaluslos, Tacloban. So okay. So ang stronghold ni Duterte dito sa Davao. So pwede nilang dayain yung tower na yan. I-denial of service na yung tower ng Davao na yan. Tapos yung tower ng data ng Tacloban, yun lang i-transmit nila. So technically that's possible. It's really possible. And then I have an attorney Rocky, I have all the details. I can send you guys the diagram, the people involved, how will they do it, and what and
Hindi mo pwede pakita ngayon yan? Hindi mo pwede pakita ngayon yan?
No, I won't do that. It's really
Pero
hard.
we need to give
It's
warning,
really hard,
di ba? We need to give warning.
Yes. Yes, it's A1. It's really confidential. It's a big name. It's big people involved. So I hope you understand. I can send you an email. Send me
Go ahead.
Disseminate the information.
I-send mo na lang sa messenger ko para safe din. Sige.
Yes, I will do that. For my safety also.
Okay, sige. Well, in fairness po, no, we invited two Comelec commissioners to join us today. Okay? And hindi po sila sumipot pareho, no? So, ewan ko po kung bakit, no? We did tell them that Maharlika and I together would have something like 400 million views, no? And this is very important kasi gusto namin is magkaroon ng kumpiyansa ang mga OFW sa bumoto, no? Pero yung hindi nila pagdalo ngayon is more reason now tuloy kung bakit nawawalan ng kumpiyansa ang mga butante natin, no? At nakakatakot talaga itong mga sinasabi nila. Well, Maharlika, partner, what can you say dito sa sinabi ni John na cybersecurity expert? Maya-maya, we're hoping na si Attorney Glenn Chong can join us, no, pagkatapos ng meeting niya para magbigay ng linaw din, no?
Spokes,